you. So today we're going to be making some fried chicken wings and some cornbread jalapeno waffles. I just got this idea because I was high-key drunk as hell. And I was like, what can I make tomorrow? What's out of the box? So, and I was really craving some chicken and waffles. So I was like, okay, let's kind of do a little spin on it. So I'm going to be making a cornbread waffle with jalapeno, and I'm going to be making a strawberry barbecue sauce with maple syrup. So it's really going to be really good. It's a really good recipe. My first time making it, but it's fun doing new recipes because you just get to experience different flavors and kind of try to see what I'm doing. But here you can see I'm just cutting the jalapenos, leaving some of the seeds in, and then I'm slicing and then I'm dicing them. Sorry if my voice sounds kind of crazy, but whatever, guys. Don't judge me. But just cutting up everything here and put that to the side. Now I have some flour mix here. I have the ingredients and everything in the bottom. I just made that off camera here. So I'm taking that flour mix. I'm taking half of that, just a cup of that flour mix, and I'm gonna dredge that on some wings. And then I'm taking the buttermilk and the hot sauce, the marinade, and I'm gonna go ahead and pour as much as I start off a little bit, and I kind of add as I go. But I'm just dredging the wings, kind of saturating those wings. So you usually for this, you want to leave this in. This is like the batter. You want to leave this in the refrigerator for like overnight. I didn't. I kind of just left it on the side of the counter for like a few, just keep it room temperature. Now you just want to go ahead and get that covered and let that set. Now we're melting butter. This is the start of the strawberry barbecue sauce. But yeah, melt that butter. I'm not trying to use a lot of butter in this episode because you guys were really dogging me on how much butter I used for my mashed potatoes. Sue me, I like butter, okay? So just go ahead and saute the strawberries, kind of break them down. As you can see, I was just trying to break them down, but I actually switched over to the masher. And bring that to a boil, then add your maple syrup. Now I love the flavor that this maple syrup gets. It literally brings the sauce together. I tried it without the maple syrup. Just wasn't right, y'all. It just wasn't right. But bring that to a boil. That look real good. Add a little bit of water. Okay. Now I just mash in it a little more. It's not gonna hurt you. Now the good thing with this is, honestly, you can definitely put blueberry. I've had blueberry barbecue sauce before, and it was bomb. You could also, if you wanted it not as thick, I like mine kind of chunky because it gives it that like chutney, like like marmalade kind of glaze. So it's like it has the strawberries that still have that sweetness in there. Now here's this cornbread mixture. We're gonna go ahead and do the cornbread waffles. Yeah, so this idea actually came from when I was like, want the waffles. Like, I don't want like a regular waffle. I want a cornbread waffle, and I kind of wanted it to be savory because it's usually a sweet waffle and they have the syrup on top. But I like mine a little more savory. So what I did was I went ahead and chopped up some jalapenos and threw them in there. Now, of course, self-explanatory, just take a few, scoops out. You don't want to do too much because it'll overflow. And just smack that baby on there and give it a close. And once it's done, go ahead and check it. Yes! Oh, that should look good. Oh my gosh. Oh, that was hot. I knew that was hot. Okay, yeah, put that on the side. Alright, the chicken. So just take that off. Basically what you don't want to do is take out the batter and kind of just pat it dry. As you can see, I was kind of getting impatient and I was like, I don't have time to be doing all of that. But just take those out, pat them dry. Now what this does is it allows it to kind of coat the chicken but not have it swim in that sauce because we are going to fry this. I don't really want that to basically kill us and pop in our faces like it did earlier. We won't talk about that, but go ahead and coat that with the flour after you have taken it out from the batter. And this is gonna make it, give it that really, really like crispy. If I say crispy one more time, that must make it crispy, right? So these are gonna be hella crispy, like so crispy. So what the batter does, it kind of lets all that flour cake on there, and so it's like a kind of like a batter chicken, and then you have the little, like, I don't know what you call them, little scragglies, little crunchy bits. I love that. And of course, you guys, I'm doing this with chicken wings. You can do this to a chicken breast or a chicken thigh, bone in, bone out. That's what I had, and I wanted to get creative. Food's always creative. You know, even though you think it's crazy to have, you know, a piece of bone on top of your waffle, they do it at Lolo's Chicken and Waffle all the time. So, all right. So basically, just place those in there and fry those little suckers up. And I don't like to overcrowd because it attains the temperature of your oil, and then it just doesn't really get as crispy. That's personally me. So, you know, you can I put 4 in there. You could have added 2 more, but I personally don't like to, you know, overcrowd, and it just makes it, you know, it overflows. And you can see I have a lot of oil in there because I'm just using this copper pan I have. Now, if you guys have any suggestions on any other stovetop or external stovetops that you can just plug in to a wall unit, let me know in the comments below, because I'm using this conduction one. I don't know if you can use cast iron. I would personally rather use gas. I have gas range in my house, but I like the angle this video is doing. And let me know what you guys think about the angle too as well. Because I'm new, I'm starting out, so let me know in the comments, like, hey, you know, this angle's good, the video looks kind of pixely, you know, just let me know. But you want to cook those for they're tiny chicken wings, so I cook them for about 6 minutes, high heat, high fry, or until they get golden brown. It's looking so good. You ever just like watch a video of yourself cooking and you like just know exactly how it tastes? That's how I'm feeling right now. Nostalgia. Alright, so let that cook. In the meantime, I mean, you guys can be, you know, sipping wine, doing a toke. I don't know what you partake in, you know, but I definitely was drinking my Truly. Shout out to Truly if you want to sponsor me for this video. Alright, and see here, you just see I'm just taking them out, checking them. I like mine to be really golden brown, because that's when I know they're kind of like, you know, really done. And it's perfect with this batter too. It doesn't burn, it does not burn fast. As you can tell, I had those in there for quite some time, about 6 or 7 minutes. Okay, perfect. And plating is key, you guys. We always eat with our eyes, and people always say you have such good presentation, and I honestly just watch videos on YouTube on how to present, and you know, I'm slowly getting better. I'm not a professional at this, but we're making it do. So just go ahead and, you know, plate up. Presentation is about how you like it. Pour your sauce on top. That just looks so good. Now, that strawberry gave it that sweet flavor with that barbecue sauce. Ugh. Garnish. Now I put, you know, scallions. You could have added sesame seeds as well, but like, share, and subscribe, you guys. This was so good. Thank you.